I'm so stupid. I got retainer in. That's why I'm gonna talk like a dummy. Oh my god. Dude, I've been debugging this shit for 4 hours. Trying to figure out why. Hold 1 second. Let me remove these breakpoints. I wish there was a hotkey to just do that. Why, when I create a server, shit's been working. I haven't touched the logic since I started the game in October. Look at this. Hold. Shh. Now we're good. Now we're good. I was a fucking I fucked it. Oh, okay, okay. Those don't matter because those are these not in new class bugs only happen because of the AdvancedSessions plugin. It's not me. I'll try and fix them at some point, but they don't make any sense. It seems like they're not true, but whatever. So, oh my god, dude, I'm so fucking stupid. All right, here it is. I created in my commits. I was taking a pee-pee right now, and while I was pissing, I was like, wait, what else could be happening? I went and removed the Steam Sockets plugin. I went and tried different online subsystems, or I deleted every other online subsystem. Everything. I tried so much. I removed Steam Sockets. I tried it without. I tried it without, but with the Steam Sockets logic, and then I flipped them. So in the default engine config, default engine, I tried with the Steam Sockets logic, even though we were no Steam Sockets. I tried it with the without Steam Sockets, with the Steam Sockets logic, the normal with Steam Sockets, everything, the flip-flop, every possible permutation, and this shit was not working. And it was saying found 0 servers, and it just wasn't working. Bro. Two things. Oh my god. Wait, I fucked it. I fucked it both ways. So, fuck. Now I don't know which one it is. I added this debugging so I could say, hey, how many servers do we actually find? And then go, but somehow in doing that, connect here. So for each server we find, we go and create a widget for it. But somehow, when I did this, it broke that pin. I guess I fucking altered it or something, and then, I don't know. And so we were printing, and it was saying found 1 server, but we weren't getting anything from it. Well, it was because the fucking the for each loop was empty, bruh. So of course it's gonna have nothing. And then I connected that and it fixed. But this issue persisted even before that. So what I'll do now is maybe this will fuck everything up because it's working now. But I'm gonna discard all my changes and we're gonna start again. Now I'll show you. I think in the custom slider that I created to add gamepad visuals, animations, highlighting to, I grind my teeth like a bitch at night, like fucking bad. So I have a retainer now, and I don't feel like taking it out because I gotta go to bed. I was just taking a pee right before I was going to sleep. I brushed my teeth and everything, and I was about to get up in here and close the shit, and I was like, wait, 2 things. Well, I didn't think about the missing connect thing because that shouldn't have been true. I don't know how that happened. The issue should have just been what I thought of. I accidentally left the minimum players as 1 in my custom slider. And the custom slider determines how many players can join the game. And if the game only has 1 player, unless the settings say otherwise, other players might not be able to join the server because there are no slots to join. If you create a game for 1 player and you join, it might not even put it out there into this server buffer to look through. And that was what I was thinking. Well, maybe the slider is just defaulting to 1 player. And I went, and it fucking was. But then that was after I added the debug logic to print. So I don't know if somehow I just accidentally disconnected the for loop a long time ago and fucked up that way, and it was never the sliders issue, or what. But right now it has to be one of those two things. There's nothing else it can be. So we should be back on the default Steam Advanced Sessions with Steam sockets that somehow fixes the current Steam issues that don't work in Unreal 5.6 that everybody says online that you need Steam sockets. So it's either the custom slider, or somehow the fucking for loop isn't connected, which will not make sense to me because I have not touched that logic in like 2 months. Took me like a week or two to figure out how to make this stuff work online, but all right, let's see. So it's the joining. Well, actually, wait. What is this commit? No changes? What's the last commit? Debugging to fix broken servers and put Battle logic. I'm deleting that too. Fuck it. I need to start from scratch, learn this completely. I don't think I did anything here. I'm pretty sure I was just fucking around. I'm going to undo the commit. And the last commit was the audio input visuals. All right. Start again. Here we go. Sorry, wasted time recording so early, but fuck it. This is for me. This ain't for you. This is for me. I spent like 2 minutes running around my apartment just fucking ecstatic when the server finally popped up, because I'm like, it had to have happened in the past couple commits, but I didn't change the logic in, like, look. So it happened somewhere between here and here. I found out here in the video I uploaded yesterday, or, wait, what the fuck is happening here? What is this? Oh, it's just committing, it's just continuing this. Okay. So somehow it happened here. I added the voice input. I must have somehow did it. Wait, what? I thought okay. I must have somehow disconnected the for loop. If it's actually just a for loop, then holy shit. But I thought that it would be the custom slider overriding the minimum size. But then when I looked at the logic for joining a server, well, the minimum available slots is 0. So you should still see full servers. So now I'm thinking that maybe I'm just really stupid, and it was literally, I fucking disconnected a loop and the loop wasn't happening anymore. I don't need Steam on anymore. Let's see. Huh? Oh wait. It does it for each. Okay, hold. Yeah, for each of these it does it. Okay. Now let's see. Does it work as is? Okay. Okay, doesn't work right now. All right. Now, question is why? Here. I was correct. 1. So somehow max players was set to 1, but if it is 2, that shouldn't change anything. That's all I changed. Let's just find out. Let's do one little thing. I hypothesize that it still won't work. It shouldn't still work unless I'm misinterpreting the FindAdvancedSessions logic. It works. It was that. Okay, so it was that. It was my custom widget. But before it was totally working and I never dragged it. Is it because somehow I must have changed in here, so it's not the custom widget, but somehow I changed the max players from 2 down to 1. Ah, I remember doing that. I did that like yesterday or the day before. It feels like it was today, but I did that recently. When were these commits? Okay, maybe it was today. Maybe it was. Maybe it was. Yeah, but this is when. So I must have done it last night then in Create Game. It feels like today, but I didn't edit Create Game since. Okay, so fuck my memory. So yesterday I changed max players down to 1 because I thought, oh, well, that way people can play single player, which is good. And this is fine. This should be 1. But the problem is, actually, no, it shouldn't be 1. The max players by default should be 1, but the minimum players should be 1. That's what it should be. You can't start a game with less than 1 player. But the point is the game should default to being open to multiple people. Let's just say, what's realistic? Let's say max players is, let's just say 8. Let's just match Mage Arena for now. And we'll just create a game and we're cool. Now I need to go and look at the logic for, what's it called? For FindAdvancedSessions, because I swear it says that it can still search for servers regardless of how many people are available in them. So the logic is in server browser when we are finding right here. It's this logic. The max results. Oh wait, no. This is how many servers are actually appearing. Okay, excuse me. See, so it's not showing only empty, but it's also not showing well, no, this is empty servers. That doesn't matter. Secure. This minimum slots available. This must, to me, unless this is defined differently, this would mean display servers that have at least 0 slots available, meaning that a server with 2 max people and 2 people in it would have 0 slots available. It would still display. That is incorrect, because minimum number of slots available apparently doesn't mean that. Or the creation of a server will not make it findable if full. Start should advertise. Allow invites, private connection. So, I mean, it should be visible, but it is not. So, very, very stupid ass on my part. Stupid. So now I can finally do the test where I have player, mute myself but hear him, and then change the voice output to see if the other player's voice gets louder. Because so far single player, it's not working, but I don't see any flaws in the logic. So we'll see. I can't hear myself right now. Cannot. Okay. He's gonna join. What the fuck is happening? Okay, I don't know what that's about. Oh, okay, whatever. I don't know what was wrong with this guy's widget. It's fine now. There's a bug I gotta fix there. Somehow when joining and alt tabbing at the same time or something, it bugs out the widget, the user's widget. So, okay, can't hear self, and also not talking. This guy will be talking but can't hear self. So, talking, can't hear self. So if I'm here, I hear him only in my left ear because this is me, and I'm talking from there. And now I'm going to change the output volume. So when other people join, my mouse gets fucked up for... Okay, interesting. But luckily the keyboard still works because I made gamepad shit. So I don't know why other people joining fucks this up, but okay. What are we doing? Audio. Here we go. Oh, yo. Wait, this won't work, but okay. Alright, so I should be getting louder and louder, and I'm not. So the logic is indeed fucked up. Oh good. That's great. And if I change the input of the other guy, this might be crazy. Okay. So a couple things. I've learned that when another player joins, somehow it fucks up this player's widget. I don't know how. And also, the output volume for voice is fucked up. The input works. You can use that and that will make you louder for other people. But the output volume is broken. And I don't know how. But multiplayer is fixed. The solution, make sure the server, when you're posting, if you want other people to see, has available slots. Because apparently you can't see full servers. Apparently slots available does not mean joinable slots. Slots are different. Somehow. Okay, that's it. So, fixed broken servers. Voice output, audio still broken. Server issue was that max players was that I changed max players to 1 and by default clicked create without overriding this minimum value. Even though FindAdvancedSessions will show or will return servers that are full, posting a server, or well, rather hosting a server with no available slots will not be posted for FindAdvancedSessions to look for. I think, unless I'm misinterpreting, the slots available, or well, unless I'm interpreting integer slots available, which I think should mean threshold of or minimum available slots in the server to make it worth displaying. Okay. Tested voice output audio with another player. Still doesn't increase audio. Into debug. Servers are good though. Stupid, man. Fucking crazy. Okay, well, I mean, bonus, right? So I at least have... Oh wait, actually, shouldn't this thing be working anyway here? Because the voice works in the game, right? Voice activation is on. So this should be working, but it only works when I do this. So that is interesting. I might need to fix that too. Oh, or maybe the point is for the voice thing to display, you have to be able to hear yourself. And so I'll probably have to add a button now that you press to test your own voice. I think that's what I have to do. Because voice level will only happen if you're listening to your own voice, which is what happens when I press R. It sets listen to own voice to be true. So Okay, I'll update my commit so I know what to work on tomorrow. Also, need to add a button to toggle listen to self inside game menu, because voice input visualizer only works when listen to self is true. Just add listen to self functionality in the same functions in the game menu. That works. That way when the game menu is on and we're in there, I can just press the button, it'll activate that, and then boom. And so instead of calling that to automatically start listening to the self, or to automatically start updating the thing, we just start it at the same time. That way you click it, it starts listening, and you hear yourself, and you see yourself, and you can read the decibel, well, not decibels, but like the value. What exactly it's, how exactly it's measured, who knows, but okie dokie. What did I change just now? What? Main menu? How did I change something on main menu? How did that make any sense, huh? Yeah, it did not. Don't say it. Fuck off. Okay. That's it. Weird. Very weird.